Now that eggs are back on the healthy list, another option open to consumers is whether to stay with store-bought eggs or get their hands on some fresh from the farm eggs. On one hand, you have the convenience of the supermarket. On the other hand, you're supporting local businesses and getting fresher eggs. For many, it may come down to taste, so we visited a local egg farm for a dozen large whites, then recruited bloggers Trey and Krista to take up the fork for a taste comparison.
So this is the fresh one, and this is store-bought. Yeah.
You can tell there's a difference between the eggs.
Darker yolk.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's bad or good.
Yeah, it is interesting, darker, but this one is more fluffy and like there's more yolk.
I'll take the ugly one.
How do you know the difference? I thought you...
Because it has I'm getting the pretty one on that one, I'm sorry. Ew. It's oozy.
Oozy. Okay, wait, do I want to eat the yolk? Is that the important part that's different? Or do you think
I'm having trouble. This is actually perfect because I didn't have lunch yet.
The yolk is actually my favorite part of the egg. Okay, here, you can move your pretty egg.
Yay.
Don't pop it, don't pop it. Oh, that's different. The farm one, fresh one, isn't very salty. I
think this one tastes like softer to me. Or it doesn't taste, it like the texture is like softer or like creamier.
Sadly though, I kind of like the not fresh one.
I like this one. That one tasted more, that was like more rubbery to me. You know what I mean? Like an older egg. This one is creamier and it has more flavor to me.
I would base my egg buying decisions off of how cheap it is. Because I'm a little bit on a budget, and as much as I love eggs, I'm not paying $6 for no carton.
I would base mine off of the convenience. If like, you know, a farmer's market in town was selling them, and they were they weren't astronomically more expensive, I would definitely get them.
The only real difference that I taste is that this one, its flavor is so strong and overpowering. Like it's like yolk, like, you know.
It's all about the yolk.
Yeah, it's just so.
All about that yolk. About that yolk.
No shells. No.